Stop loss under 231. Good to see there's a major increase in volume. Looking for a pullback towards 235. Possibly, and then a stop loss underneath this 232. There's a dip there. Gonna go ahead and throw out an order there, 235. It has to hold this critical level, 232. Holds 232, should go up, hold 235, holds 235, should go up here and break this 240 area, the top of this pivot. That 240. We are underneath the VWAP, so something to be aware of. There is an increase in volume, however. And lately these stocks have been selling off underneath VWAP, making a reversal and then heading towards VWAP. As of late, that's the behavior of the stocks. And we want to see if it does it on this one. Now we have one target here at 249. We wanted it closer to 260, however, that's the strategy. A 2-to-1 ratio, risking 1 to earn 2. So no need to switch the strategy now. There's that 240, breaking 240. Now it has to break these resistance at 242 and 243, which it's testing now. There goes testing it, breaking above them. Now we're kind of sort of squeezing parabolically a little bit. It was just 4 cents away from the take profit. And yeah, this is my first trade of the week. Been very busy at work. We're planning on reopening today. And it is an evening job. And it continues to squeeze a little more. Still waiting. Broke above those resistance, 242, 243. It could still pull back towards 240. Or it could hold these levels there. 242, which it looks like it is. Our take profit is right below the $0.50 mark of 250 at 249, 1 cent away. Boom, that's it. Now imagine if we'd put our take profit way up here below these resistance, what would have happened? We'll see. Yeah, just imagine if it did. If I put take profit up here, say 2.59, what would have happened if I would have switched my strategy, right? It takes a lot of energy to modify a strategy, especially while you're in a trade or right before a trade. Figured I used to do that a lot in my first months. I would say, let me try to get 20% on this move. Let me get something outrageous, right? Let me get 10% out of this move. Yeah, when it happened, it was beautiful, but it kind of never really happened, you know, so it made sense to modify the strategy to something that I felt comfortable with. And yeah, I'll eventually make a video on my strategy, which I know it's funny to say because I still consider myself a beginner. However, I'm humble enough, you know, to consider myself a beginner. And yeah, I keep squeezing. And but I'm also wise enough to know that you should study yourself and come up with a strategy which best suits you, while at the same time evolving as a trader and as a person. So I know at work I had to evolve a little more. There's more responsibility on my behalf now. I love it though. Job is fun, trading is fun. What more can you ask for, right? But it looks like it's struggling there around 252. Let's see. A little question mark there. Take profit 259. I don't know. What if we would have modified our strategy? This thing could still dip down a little more. And he still wants to squeeze. Anyways, back to the strategy thing. I know in the future, perhaps I'll want to modify a little bit, but there'll be modifications with objectivity, not subjectivity, not because I feel like it's gonna happen, not because I feel like I want to do this way. No, it'll be modified based on recent trends or a change of character within myself, a change of goals. You know, there's gonna be modifications, but they will be made measured objectively. Hope this all makes sense to y'all. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks folks for tuning in, and I hope to bring you more better content. Bye. What the fuck was that? So a little update. It bounced off of 242, 243 actually, went all the way to 259, then pew, it drowned. Not sure what it's gonna do right now, but that's just a little update. Okay, bye. Update number 2, it broke below these levels. Okay, now bye.